Yo, greetings, sanibonani. Igama lami uSikhumbuzo uRafael Sibongwa kaMthetho, better known as uRaf Ivundras N11 iqondile ayidinge rula.
Dope hot and fresh all day, every day is too much.
Yeah, it's Coco Sendao. I'm an artist, I'm a businessman, I'm a radio and TV personality, I'm a recording producer and also event organizer. Ngiyenza izinto ezibhaya kwi-industry. Yeah, I'm an MC as well. I'm a film director and also a theater director. Yes. Alright, asikhulume kabanzi mhlawumbe ngoRaf kwi-art fraternity. Alright, ngisebenzisana nabantu abaningi kakhulu. Basically, i-company ngisebenzelayo right now it's Ligwa FM, a community radio station ekhona ke la eMelo. Uyithola ku frequency i-101.3. Alright. Sibonga kakhulu ku Dope Hot and Fresh with this beautiful episode. Alright. Asingene ke kwi-art. Basically, yini engikwenzayo kwi-art? I'm an art ambassador, of course, working with different stakeholders, different companies, you name them. I'm a chairperson of Msuka Ligwa Cultural Creative Industry Federation of South Africa, of which is SIFSA. Ngikhona ke naku Msuka Ligwa Arts and Culture Forum. Yes, so ziningi kakhulu soze ngisiqeda. Ama programs engiwenzile as a young person ngiyayingithanda to keep my mind ibe equipped with knowledge, skills and so on. So ngiyenzile ama programs amaningi afundwa i-Department of Arts and Culture or i-Department of Culture, Sport and Recreation. I'm talking about programs, kune program ye TYPP. That program was powered by NYDA, but it was funded by the Department of Culture, Sport and Recreation. Yes. Currently, I'm doing a project, a National Community Development Project, with funding from Sibigwa Art Center. Of course, it was funded by the Department of Culture, Sport and Recreation. We are talking good things. As a young person, you need to equip yourself with knowledge. So in the fraternity, I'm busy building artists. I'm an artist myself. I'm a recording producer, as I've said. So yes, I'm having few songs. All right, there's this one big thing that I'm busy with right now. We're talking about a movie. Yes, one big movie, Backlaw of Faith, produced by myself and working with different stakeholders. Yes. All right. I'm working with different people around Garisibande and Mpumalanga at large to promote, to develop, and to identify artists around Mpumalanga. In fact, emerging artists. Yes. She corrected this. We do not want to use the term local. We are no longer local. Right now we're emerging, we're up and coming. Yes. So as you guys, young artists, make it a point that number one, you formalize your business as an artist. You formalize your business as an artist. You need to have your email addresses. You need to have website. You need, all the administration of your work. You need to get them done. So in that way, your talent will just flow. So let's talk about talent. How as the Msuka Ligwa Arts and Culture Forum develop a talent. First, we identify a talent. Here's a talent. What do we do with that after that? Then we develop a talent after identifying it. Developing talent how? We conduct workshops, we conduct trainings, we equip artists with basic administrative stuff so that they know from before you go to record or before you go to dance, before you go to your acting and whatnot, you need to get your administration in order. So once you're done with that, then as Msuka Ligwa Arts and Culture Forum, then we expose your talent. We do the program that we call it Exit Opportunities, which means we give network from artists to relevant companies. So that's how we operate, man. Oh, one last thing. I'm a programs manager at Ligwa FM. I'm dealing with programming. all the programs that are happening at Ligwa FM 101.3 are being programmed by Raf Ivundras. So if ever you are a young upcoming artist, you're inclined in radio, you need to contact Raf so that we can enlarge the scope of your art. Please, good people, do not focus on one thing. Right, I'm about to finish up. One last thing. Education is key, guys. You need to learn, you need to read, you need to write, you need to make research. Ungagcini ukuthi you are just an artist, mina I'm talented. Talent alone angeke sakusiza ngalutho. You need to equip yourself with skills. So guys, I urge you, go back to school. Go to school if ungayanga esikoleni. If you uqedile ngesikole, try to equip yourself, further your studies, more especially with industry art. There are so many opportunities out there waiting for you, so you need to go out there and you need to expose yourself to such opportunities. So guys, I urge you, let's do this thing. Mpumalanga got talent, lento sizoyenza yenzeke. Alright, asibonge kakhulu with Dope, Hot and Fresh. As Mpumalanga, we are saying we are dope, hot and fresh. Kumbula, uyamthola on Facebook. I'm Raf Ivundras. Egcineni uZ. Raf Ivundras. On Twitter I'm Raf Ivundras. Instagram I'm Raf Ivundras. Vele ufuna ukungivakashela enkundleni zokuxhumana. Asenze kanjalo. Sibangene, sisebenze. Man, thank you very much.
Dope, hot and fresh all day, every day is too much.